Hey guys, what's up? It's Maddie here, and it is 4:57 a.m. We're still up, and we're trying to figure out how to use my mom's coffee machine because we want coffee. Well, we want mochas with some hot cocoa, but we can't figure out how to use this stupid coffee machine. So she's doing research on her phone, and we have our mugs. I've had this mug since I was little. It's my Cinderella mug, and her mug says, "Do what you like what you do."
Okay, should already have some water in it.
It doesn't. Ow!
Sorry. The water going here?
Stick my hand in there. There's nothing.
Then where does the water
Oh my god, I'm
so you put that in there.
Yes, but you put water in first.
Okay, then put water in first.
How much?
Okay, listen, no pants. Put water in first.
How much?
I don't know. As much as you think.
See your phone.
It's never said it. It's never said on here.
Yes, just watch how much they put in there. Yeah, we need coffee. There's nothing good to eat. Beef patties.
It says you need to fill it up with water. And it should just automatically put as much water as needed in there.
Where do you put the water? Camera. I'm pantless on video. Okay, I'm gonna go get some pants on.
Sounds like a good idea. Swoosh. Have you seen how your mom uses this? Put pants on?
Yeah, I put these sweatpants on.
Mm-hmm. Good for you.
Did you finish it?
No, I can't find anything on that specific one.
Can you take out your earbuds so I can hear it?
There's nothing on... Okay. You're not listening to me. Okay?
But I can find information that you can't.
Shut up. This is my phone. Go get your phone.
I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging. What was that? I'm vlogging.
That was you being a typical teenage girl.
I'm not even a teenager yet.
So close.
But
I'm closer.
July, August. I can't remember what comes after.
July,
September, October,
July,
August, September, October, November, December, January. 6 months away, half a year away. So I'm not a teenager.
I've got 5.
No, 6. August, September, October,
My birthday's November.
December, January.
November. I have 4.
Oh, you have 4. I have 6. Be your money. Should I cut the bottom of this shirt off?
Why would you do that?
Because it could be a half shirt, and then I could just like sew the back of it. No, I don't know. Okay.
I don't give a crap what you do with your shirt.
You know what? I don't want to break my mom's coffee machine.
Hold on, I think. This better be it.
Oh yes. Oh yeah. Look at Mason.
Nice man. Yeah, your dad watches these, right? Ew. Okay. So you pour water around it.
You do.
Yes.
You found it?
Yes.
Well then.
So turn it on.
And then what?
Did that just turn on the fridge?
Apparently so. Okay, are you sure? Don't don't turn it on yet.
Okay, well it's off. So.
Oh my god, it's steaming.
Oh my god,
It's steaming.
It's the pan section.
It's steaming. It's steaming. It's steaming.
Madison, it'll chill out.
I'm scared.
You sound like a typical teenage girl.
Oh, but I literally am scared. No, I don't. Should we just make hot chocolate? I'm really good.
Yeah,
at
I think
that.
we should just make hot chocolate.
You know what? I'm really good at making hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate is
And
like,
I know how to make it a special way so it tastes really well.
hot chocolate is just basically like a substitute for coffee.
I'll just put a buttload of sugar in there if you want.
Yeah, we can put a buttload of sugar in it.
No, I know.
We're not putting coffee grounds in it.
We are.
You can't eat coffee grounds.
Yes, but if you mix them in with
No,
milk.
Madison, I'm not putting coffee grounds in my hot chocolate.
I am.
Okay,
It has
you-
caffeine in it.
You guys, and I'm gonna be like, hold it up. Ooh.
I always play with knives. That's psychopath. I'm gonna pass the psychopath test.
You already did.
Yeah, no, I'm not. Oh yeah, I am a little bit of psychopath.
It said
Oh, yeah,
that
I'm-
you were the complete opposite.
Oh yeah, I'm the complete opposite of the psychopath. On opposite day. No, I literally said I'm the complete opposite. I'm like, bro, no, I'm not. I am a psychopath. I said I'm a heavenly angel that came down to earth to cause peace and nothing else.
Whatever.
I'm not that peacemaking person they talked about in that quiz on Playbuzz.
Maybe. You could be
I'm
an
gonna be
angel sent down
caffeinated
from
and you're
heaven to
not.
kill me.
I'm gonna be caffeinated and you're not.
I don't care. I don't need to be caffeinated.
Can you put this mug back?
Sure.
Thank you.
Me too. Your mom, what are you girls doing?
Making hot
We're gonna, no, we should just be like, this is all a dream.
Yes, we should do it. Huh? But don't expect it to stir all the way.
I won't, don't worry.
Oh my god, it's for coffee.
Of course it does. You put coffee in it.
Do you need coffee grounds?
Hmm?
You can eat coffee grounds.
You're disgusting.
Mm-mm. It gives me caffeine, straight caffeine. No, wait, coffee bean gives me straight caffeine. But I don't think my mom has any coffee beans. My dad does. You want me to go with my dad's and be like, we need caffeine, Dad. We need your coffee beans. I know how to use the coffee machine over my dad's house. See, I'm already starting to get caffeinated. You can tell because my voice is just trailing on. Can we go to Starbucks?
No.
You're a party sucker. We should just steal my mom's driver's license. Just kidding. I would never do that. I'm too good of a goody two-shoes to do that. Mason would do that, but I wouldn't do that.
Depending on the situation, yes, I would do that. Situation. Madison, move out the way. Oh my god. Beep, beep, beep.
1 minute. Put it in there for 1 minute.
Don't tell me how long you think I have to do it.
Oh, and there's coffee grounds in it.
In mine or in yours?
In mine.
Oh, thank God.
Look it.
I'm disgusted.
It's coffee grounds.
Can you? Oh, you're not supposed to eat coffee grounds, Madison.
Yeah.
You need to be more quiet.
Well, I'm flushing this down the toilet. Ended up clogging the toilet with coffee grounds.
Where's your sugar?
Huh?
Where's your sugar? I need a buttload of sugar in it so I can stay awake longer. I'm not willing.
Make another one because that putting coffee grounds in a thing. Don't try that, guys. It doesn't work.
I already knew that, but did you listen? No.
Oh, I know how to make coffee.
Oh my god, I'm not doing this. I already made. Where's your sugar? I just need a buttload of sugar. Do we have sugar? Please tell me you have sugar. Wait, you have marshmallows. You can put marshmallows in.
Pretty sure. Oh, we have sugar.
This is already open. Nice. Cool. I just need a sugar thing. Oh, dang. You have like a full thing of sugar.
I'm not saying the coffee grounds taste bad, but they weren't the best coffee I've ever had.
But they probably weren't the worst either, were they?
They are. They are definitely the worst coffee I've ever had. The worst form of coffee I've ever had.
Oh, wow. You should try black coffee then.
I have. I drink it all the time.
You are disgusting.
With
I don't
sugar in it.
I don't even have a strong enough sugar. Like, just black coffee.
Yeah, I've had it.
Like, no sugar or nothing.
Yes, that's how my dad drinks it. No, that's how my papa drinks it.
That's disgusting.
My dad drinks it with 8 packets of sugar in black coffee. No dark roast, actually. I don't know if that's the same thing, but...
I don't think it is. I mean, I've heard it before. You should try a shot of espresso. It's nothing but caffeine. Like,
Have you ever had one?
no, but my dad told me that he's had one time, and it's like nothing but caffeine, and it'll give you a straight energy boost.
I need to have those every single day of every single hour of every single minute when I'm with my horses. Just be like, get the horse wash. Walk the horse, do the showmanship whole class. I need to drink those on my show day. It's a Saturday. No! I have to show this Saturday. And I'm not excited. Zip excited. Country girl shaking for me. 22. You can tell I just ate stinking coffee grounds. And my best friend dissed me. Did you take the sugar with you? Okay, she put the sugar back. Ow. Okay guys, we figured it out. Well, we didn't figure it out, but we still got something with sugar in it. Now I need to go download the rest of my country music, so I'll see you guys at I don't know, whenever we get up. Okay, bye.